How to crack a balut egg, 101. Did you get that, Shanna?
I got it. Facial expression and everything.
I got like gunk in my spoon.
Okay. Now I'm taking my chicken out. But
Hey, bro. Oh, yours is juicy, dude. Take that first
Sorry.
layer.
it's not very
It
pretty.
will use the back of your spoon if it's like juicy.
Wait. Took part of my chicken out. Here, I'll put it on dirt.
The chicken?
Yeah. There's my chicken. Right
Yeah,
there.
just push through it.
I kind of killed
Ah,
it.
God, this is so
Here's
hot,
this
babe.
part of my chicken. This chicken is pretty big.
There you go.
And
And
there's the
then-
rest of it. There's the rest of my chicken.